And now to a Kelly File investigation. A stunning revelation from the IRS commissioner today, as he admits that thanks to the president's executive action on immigration, illegal immigrants who paid taxes can now claim refunds. And so can illegal immigrants who never paid taxes. Huh? Trace Gallagher live in our West Coast newsroom. Trace.
Megan, nobody knew about this because before the president signed his executive order halting deportations for nearly all illegal immigrants, the head of the IRS says no one bothered to ask them what the tax implications would be. So now we're learning that U.S. taxpayers owe money to people who are in this country illegally. And here's how it works. Right now, there are only about 700,000 undocumented workers who pay taxes using a current taxpayer ID. But under the executive order, several million illegals can now apply for work permits and Social Security numbers. And then they're automatically eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit. That's a refund you get when you work, whether you pay federal taxes or not. On top of that, illegals who were using phony taxpayer ID numbers for the past 3 years can use their new Social Security cards to get refunds for those years as well. When the House Oversight Committee found out how this whole deal works, there was some concern about the lack of information that comes along with executive orders. Listen.
If we were to do what the president did by legislation, that he did by executive order, that we would have to go and get an estimate of exactly what you and I are talking about here today?
From the Joint Committee on Taxation?
Or CBO, yes, sir.
Or CBO, yes, sir.
IRS Commissioner John Koskinen says he has no idea how much the tax credit might cost, and that's because no one truly knows how many illegal immigrants might apply for it. Megan.
It is so convenient when you can just bypass Congress. Like, you just get to skip so many annoying things, so much red tape. All right, Trace, thank you. Coming up, possible 2016 presidential candidate Governor Scott Walker under attack from some of the left today. Howard Dean apparently feels Governor Walker, is too stupid to govern. So why all of a sudden attention on Governor Walker? Mark Thiessen explains. And President Obama like you have never seen him before. But does this diminish the office of the presidency? You will be surprised at who's making that charge tonight.
The deadline for signing up for health insurance is February.
Not like any other Wednesday.
That's not right.
Wednesday.
February 15th. February 15th.